Hello to everyone. This is learning activity number 3, Evidence, How Can I Help You? By Laura Marcela Rico Segura. I choose the technological device Smart TV. Problem number 1. Restart. A reboot is a good idea solution to any TV troubleshooting, isn't it? When an unexpected symptom appears while using your TV, like an application don't operate correctly or there's no sound, you can restart your TV. Problem number 2. Power. My TV is broken down because it is turned off by itself, isn't it? Power saving or sleep timer functions may be set. You can also make sure the AC power cord is properly plugged in. Problem number 3. Bluetooth. All TVs have Bluetooth, don't they? Bluetooth is a wireless communication technology. Not all TVs have this option. Problem number 4. USB. I can never connect the USB device, can I? To connect the USB device, press the home button on the remote control. Connect the USB device. Wait for a few minutes until the screen of the application selection appears. Select album, music, or video do you want. Finally, problem number 5. Update. There is no picture when using an HDMI connection. My cable is damaged, isn't it? You need to make sure your TV has the most recent system software. System software updates are available for certain smart televisions.